I think with what's riding on this race, it comes with a lot of pressure, but that's what we signed up for.
There's really only one chance you get to be the first person to win in a new car.
This opportunity is a big deal. It's stressful, it's exciting.
People are going to be watching. Everybody wants to see how this car is going to perform.
To be one of the very first teams to race this new Maverick R at the Silver State 300, everybody is going to have their eyes on us. So the only thing that's left to do is show up and show out.
We're at the Silver State 300 right now. This is the first race for the Maverick R. It's only Dustin and I racing in it.
Good. You know, they've seen pictures of it, but now we get to unload it and actually show it to everybody. To win this race is going to mean everything to us. It's what we worked hard for. It's what we stayed up late at night for, is to win the one and only first race in the new Maverick R. My name is Dustin Jones, and I'm a factory Can-Am racer. Been around desert racing a few years now. I guess what we're best known for is winning the Mint 400 3 times. It was really cool to be a part of the launch of the X3 and be one of the first race teams to race that car. But now looking back, we didn't understand how big of a deal that was. And we've got this opportunity again. It's monumental in my mind. Several months back, we got the opportunity to be a part of the early stages of testing in this vehicle. We worked relentlessly to get the shocks dialed in, and they're there. The harder you drive, the better it feels. You know, they considered, let's bring some of our factory guys in to be a part of the evolution of the car. And so Phil and I got that opportunity before anybody even knew about this thing. Dude, I don't know how anything's gonna beat this thing. But when you see trees packed in the roll cage, you know this thing comes to party.
No lift shift?
Every time.
It's really cool, man. There's people going all over the place. What we're doing here, I feel like, is translating into the production car.
Man, I'm sweating. It's hot out here. And so now this one's lock and key. We're not saying nothing until it gets dropped off at the shop. It's early in the morning here at S3. It's kind of reminiscent of not so long ago, isn't it? The big thing for us was how soon can we get the cars. We knew it was going to be a scramble, so the sooner we could get it, the sooner we could get this thing race ready. I think one of the biggest things that people don't even realize is learning an all new vehicle. And on this one, it's a brand new platform that nobody's ever put their hands on before. So that's the struggle right now, is we're just figuring out as we go. Just tightening down some jam nuts on the suspension. We got to wrap it, make it look like a race car, run it hard and put it in the trailer. You know, when you sit down and look at it and you realize we have an opportunity to do something absolutely incredible, this is that one chance.
I just wish we always just got to wake up and be right in the car. The waiting is the worst part, but. I'm Phil Blurton, factory Can-Am racer. A ton of pressure leading into this race. It's gonna be all eyes on us. I'm gonna do the same exact thing I do at every single race. We've won it 2 years in a row. To come back and back up those previous wins we had here would be awesome. Oh man, I've been racing for Can-Am going on year 7. Won multiple Best in the Desert championships, Baja 1000. It's like a one-in-a-lifetime opportunity to get the car before anybody else. So I just got my Maverick R in the shop. Thing kind of just partially stripped down, put just a roll cage, a fuel cell in it to make it past tech. A one-man show as far as the fabrication. A lot of sleepless nights. It's also like super fun to just be building a new car. You know, we've built so many X3s over the years. Racing to me is everything. I mean, besides my family, I mean, racing is my entire life. We came out to our local short course track, get ready for Silver State, and I've literally taken the last month and just turned my life off to outside life and just focused on this race. It's been everything for us.
I'd be lying if I said I wasn't nervous about this race, but I'm also excited. I know the potential this car has.
The Silver State race course is a really, really fast course. It's a ton of like rally style graded roads. This year the race course is 285 miles, I believe, and you know we have no more belt anymore. This track has tons of mile per hour on it.
3 miles out.
Copy that, 3 miles out. Go ahead and get it up, brother. Dustin and Dustin are sitting physically third on the course. Fuel stop here at pit 2. Hopefully that's it. Send him on his way.
I think I put that win so far up on a pedestal, man, because it is so important at this race.
Fought a lot of dust that first half of the race, which was still super fun, and the car was just flawless.
We started in the back, but the car looks good, tires look good. A lot of race to go, so we're okay.
This is why we do it, to win races like this, to win them when they count, to really push hard and try to win big.
Make the pit stop, 2 miles out.
Copy that, 2 miles. 2 miles! 2 11-gallon cans to send them to the finish, and Dustin are sitting in second on corrected time, 1 minute down.
Lots of learning. We don't know what's going on in the car, so it's kind of difficult. Is everything all right? We'll see.
If you can push a little bit, about 1 minute down.
In the last 100 miles, so I told D, I said, this is it, we're going for it. There gonna be no second place, there gonna be no third place.
Looks like Phil's running third place in class right now, about 5th overall we feel. Car's looking good, everything else is good so far.
Both vehicles are doing awesome, but I don't know what to say, but we're so happy that, you bring a brand new car out here that's never been raced before. We're doing good.
Dustin is his first on corrected time right now. Never been that nervous in my life. I think you got it. I think you got it.
That was a crazy day. Hard, fought, long, difficult of the day. Yay, nay.
You got the overall, buddy.
Good job, buddy.
The work that you put on it, you try not to put pressure onto it, man, but it makes you emotional because all the guys work so hard to get us here. When it all comes together, man, it's unreal.
Man, it's awesome Dustin pulled off the win in this thing. We pulled off a 3rd place. I don't think either one of us put a wrench on him all day.
It's everything that I dreamed would happen, and now I know it's a new generation of UTV.
To come out and just really have no issues with the cars right out of the box is crazy. It shows everybody like how much work Can-Am puts into these cars. I think it's just going to get better and better from here.
What's crazy to me is that Can-Am has put so much trust in Phil and I and given us an opportunity that's very unique. Thank you to Can-Am for the opportunity. I hope that'll make you guys proud. It's a blessing to come out on top. Man, I'm proud of my crew. I'm proud of our new car, all the guys at the shop that put it together. It was an amazing opportunity, and things couldn't have worked out better, so I'm proud of everybody that was a part of it.